Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Test and Compare thumbnail. The Test and Compare feature in YouTube's native A and B testing tool is widely available in YouTube Studio. It allows you to upload up to 3 thumbnails for a single video. YouTube then rotates this image across different viewers to determine which one drives the most watch time rather than just clicks. Now, to start a thumbnail test, all you have to do is go ahead and load up your PC, then head to YouTube Studio in your browser. However, I'm in my phone, but I'll be redirecting you through all this process. Now, head to the new uploads option. During the uploading process, scroll to the thumbnail section and click the Test and Compare or A/B testing option. And if you have a existing video, all you have to do is go ahead and click on the content option, then select the video you want to test. Now, once you select the video, go to the video details page, scroll to the thumbnail section, then you will find 3 dotted menu icon on the current thumbnail and select Test and Compare option. Now, once you run the experiment, upload the 3 different images, and once you do so and click on that save button, YouTube will show the thumbnails eventually to different segments of your audience. A test typically lasts up to 2 weeks, and once the 2 weeks mark hits, you will get your results from YouTube via email or in your YouTube Studio site. And that is how you can test which thumbnail drives in more viewership in your content. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.